Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best treadmills for home use available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. This affordable treadmill will help you start your fitness journey. You walking can significantly improve mental and physical health. The compact design of the treadmill will get you into shape regardless of home size. This compact lightweight treadmill is excellent for small spaces. The treadmill is durable and can withstand power walking or light jogging. This track fitness progress on the easy-to-read digital monitor. Treadmill monitor displays time, speed, distance, calories. At number 5 we have Weslow Treadmill. You can enjoy the privacy of at-home exercise. The Weslow Cadence G5.9i was built to fit into your budget without sacrificing the quality of your workout or the space in your home. You can improve your health and your life as you train on the Cadence G5.9i. This Bluetooth technology connects you to the thrilling world of iFit personal training. The tool that will improve your workouts and give you access to world-class personal trainers. Its space-saving technology means you won't have to sacrifice your living space to stay in shape. At number 4 we have Xterra Treadmill. The Xterra Fitness DR150 treadmill combines the quality and performance you desire with the flexibility of a machine that can be easily folded up and stored away. It's specifically designed for the home environment. The DR150 incorporates numerous thoughtful features that were developed with your performance and comfort in mind. The console was designed for ease of use while still providing you with all the features you deserve. It can start on the road to fitness today with the Xterra DR150 treadmill and exceed your expectations. At number 3 we have Nordic Track Treadmill. You can stream high-energy live and on-demand studio classes led by elite fit trainers in a motivating and empowering atmosphere anytime you want. In live workout studio classes and global workouts your fit trainer will automatically adjust your speed decline and incline to optimize your exercise. It is equipped with self-cooling technology. This powerful smart response motor is designed to support all types of cardio training. At number 2 we have Sunny. You can stay in stride with the SFD7632 space-saving folding treadmill. This space-saving treadmill has an ample belt surface to accommodate most runners and walkers. The unique design places the treadmill motor under the platform, creating more space for longer strides. This treadmill offers speeds from 5 miles per hour to 7 miles per hour. The backlit LCD digital display clearly will show you speed, distance and calories burned. This treadmill is super easy to assemble and folds for storage and has integrated transportation wheels for easy portability. At number 1 we have Vilsrit Sport Treadmill. This 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill has 2 modes: running mode and walking mode. In running mode the speed is 0.8 to 12 km per hour. In walking mode the speed is 0.8 to 6 km per hour, controlled by the remote when folded. It is convenient to change the mode and do the exercise you want. The shock absorption system of the running machine for home use is environmentally friendly materials. The design of the 8-point cushioning and 16.7-inch wide and 5-layer anti-skid running belt. The noise is less than 57 dB, which is the best fitness equipment for home and office. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best treadmills for your need.